Okay, so like the article discusses, with this exercise, what we're teaching is we're teaching the rib cage and the pelvis and the muscles that attach to both of those to work together during inhalation and exhalation and to properly synchronize movement of both those regions. So here we go. Lie down on your back with your knees bent up and your feet flat on the table. Breathe in through the nose. And as you blow out through your mouth, perform a posterior pelvic tilt, tucking your hips under you. You should feel your abdominal muscles and your glutes and hamstrings recruit when you do this. When you take your next breath in, relax. So what you should see is during exhalation, ribs sink down, hips tip up under you. During inhalation, ribs come up, back arches, and you lift up slightly off the table. Here we go. Let's do this for 4 breaths. Breathe in, blow out. Breathe in, blow out. So that's it. Just like that, we taught the body how to synchronize movement of the rib cage and the pelvis. And we taught the muscles that do those movements to work together during those phases of respiration. So when we inhale, the hamstrings, the glutes, and the abs, they relax and allow air to fill down into the abdomen. And as we exhale, we turn the abdominal muscles on, performing a posterior pelvic tilt. We turn the hamstrings on and the glutes on, and the low back and the hip flexors relax. I hope this was helpful. Practice this and you'll have a good start on integrating breathing into your exercises to make them more effective. Thanks for watching.